Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new Warhammer Age of Sigmar Mortal Realms update video. Now, as per usual with all these videos, if you like them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys, it goes a massive way to help the channel too. And without further ado, let's crack on with it. So, Mortal Realms, as we know, is coming to an end. So, Mortal Realms magazine is slowly ending. We're literally going into the last 10 issues now, and yeah, it'll soon be over. So, of course, we already know what's coming up until issue 73. So, issue 71, which is next week, which is this Wednesday coming. So, the 30th of June. Is the Gryph-hound statues, pretty decent scenery, bit different. Yeah, not a bad model, not a bad bit of kit. Very, very nice to have the final piece of that scenery done and out of the way, essentially, as well. Issue 72 is a lot better because we get Lady Olinda, the Mortarch of Grief, a fantastic kit, an absolutely brilliant sculpt as well. Very fiddly. A lot of stuff that can break on this one, so be very, very careful, but the model is really, really good. It's a really lovely model. Yeah, I'll sing the praises of this model pretty much every time I see it. It's probably the nicest sculpt of any Nighthaunt model. Yeah, definitely one of the best that you can get out there as well. Aside from the Black Coach is probably a lot more kick-ass, but Lady Olinda is probably one of the nicest models out there. Issue 73, we're going to get another Stormcast hero, which is Nigh Blacktalon. A fantastic unit. Nigh Blacktalon being a warrior, carrying them dual storm axes, and having the alternate options of wearing the helmet or being with a better head. Entirely up to you how you want to do it. Really cool model though. A pretty nice addition to your Stormcast Eternal heroes as well. So really, really good stuff. Now, into the issues that we didn't already know about. So, issue 74 is going to have 3 of the Vanguard Raptors. Now, this issue, you may want to order a second copy of it. The only reason I say this is because you can make these units into an alternate version. So, you can make them with the Hurricane crossbows, or you can build them with the Long Strike crossbows. If you're going to build the Long Strike crossbows, you will need to buy a couple of oval bases though, in all honesty, because chances are you're not going to get them from the looks of it, so you will probably need to buy a couple of new ones as well. You'll only need 2 for them because there's only 2 of them that have the longer bows, but you will need them. So really, really good stuff though, because you are actually getting 6 models each time, because you get the Ether Wings as well, which are really, really cool. Now, issues 75, 76 and 77, there's one model spread out across all 3 issues, and that is the Mortis engine. So this is the big classic unit, really, really good stuff. I presumed it would be split into at least 2 issues, and they've gone for 3. So just like they did with Warhammer 40k Conquest, where they split up multiple issues and multiple sprues across different issues for things like tanks and stuff like that. Very, very, very similar. Really, really good stuff though. It's a nice, huge model. If you can, pick up a couple, but there are going to be a lot of scalpers out there that are going to buy them and then they're going to try and resell them. In all honesty, they're not going to make shed loads out of it as well. You're probably only looking about a tenner, because the model itself is $37.50. So you don't need to buy from a scalper, just, make sure you get your copies though. You're going to need to get all 3 of them built together, and keep all the issues kind of together as well, to get the full build guide, the full painting guide, everything like that as well. So really, really good stuff though. A nice one as well. Issue 78 is a bit of a weird one, because well, we are getting 2 things. We get the 100mm round base and a 120 by 92mm oval base. The oval base is for that Mortis engine. you can buy the bases separately if you need to, but you're not going to be making a lot of money out of it, but still pretty handy. The 100mm round base is going to come in handy though, and the reason for that is issues 79 and 80 have the Celestant Prime. Now, the Lord Celestant Prime is a fantastic model. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a stunning model. This is probably the biggest saving as well that you're getting in the entire magazine. I must admit, I'm gonna might try and get 2 copies of this guy. Really nice model, really good stuff, a fantastic bit of kit, and you're not going to see a kind of a deal like this as well. This is literally 50% off the model, so really good stuff. And a fantastic unit. And that is it. That is the entirety of the set done. That is the Mortal Realms magazine over, done with, finished, kaput, whatever you want to call it. It will be done. Sad times, but of course there will be new stuff coming. So there will be, of course, Warhammer 40k Imperium magazine in the very near future. There will also be, of course, loads of updates. If you're sticking with Warhammer Age of Sigmar, there's going to be loads of updates regarding the 3rd edition, which is coming out in just over a week's time. Really good stuff. There's a lot of good stuff to look forward to. So loads of new Stormcast Eternals, loads of new Orcs. There's going to, from the looks of it and the sounds of it, there might be some new Nighthaunt models as well at some point, but from a lot of the rumours going around, a lot of the rumours are also hinting at new factions and new armies that you can get into. So new dwarves, new forces of destruction coming along, as well as other bits and pieces as well. So really good stuff. Keep an eye out. I will update as soon as I find out more as well. So stick with the channel. You're not going to be missing out on content. I'm still going to do as much as I possibly can. So there will be Warhammer 40k Imperium when that comes out. I will go through that magazine, so the 80 issues of that. And I'm not a 40k guy. I will try my hardest to keep up to date with it, and I will try my hardest to understand it and be able to relay information to you guys as easily as I can. And I will do my occasional painting stuff. I'm still trying to work out my painting scheme for the 40k stuff. I have a few ideas, but I just need to kind of get them just about right and everything like that. But really good stuff. I'm really looking forward to it. I want to hear from you guys as well though. So if there is stuff that you would like to see, if you want to see other bits and pieces, so for instance, if I can, I may end up with bits of unusual terrain, and I may be able to do small dioramas. I can't do massive ones because I don't have the space for them, but I might be able to try and do some things and do some extra bits and pieces. If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know. If there's anything other that I can try and do, by all means drop a comment down below, get in touch, and I'll see what can be done and what can be worked out. But for now, thank you very much for watching. A very quick video, a very late video, and thank you very much. I will see you in the very near future for more Warhammer Age of Sigmar stuff, and have a good one. See you soon. Bye bye now.